Hey guys, it is the morning, and so there's if you haven't seen one of my videos, it's where I caught sorry with that intro. But Joey came into my room and bothered me, so well, no, I forgot. Oh yeah, okay. Well, in one of my videos, I might put the link in the description if I remember, while I edit. But I caught a bird, and there's so much birds out. Like, I'll show you. There's so much birds out. There's two over there. If you can see them, they're like right there. And then they're not really doing anything, so I think I could catch them. And then a couple days, 2 days ago, not even. I saw a bunny in those bushes back there, and then a day before that, I also saw a bunny. Yeah, and then I went outside to go catch it, and it's wild, so it goes really fast, and so I couldn't catch it. But you guys, if you saw the video, you know how I catch it. Well, and sometimes I'll just get, like, you see that bin thingy? No. Well, then I'll just get that and then set it off with the stick and put some food under there. Like, I think I'm going to do that to catch the bunny, but like we said, we release them. Thank you for 100 subscribers. I just wanted to give you a thing for that. Shout out will be not right now because I'm so tired to even look. But let's say like at 3 o'clock maybe I will do it. So stay tuned for a video there. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for 90 subscribers. You are awesome.